guys, Jill Scottston here. This is Harley, and we've been working on some training, and we're gonna show you what we've been working on. And Ella, our little 3-year-old, is gonna be doing some work with her too. Good job. You wanna teach her some more tricks? Oh. Come here. Babbitt.
No, Jasmine.
Can you sit?
Jasmine.
Good girl.
Oh,
Good girl.
that's a good girl. Aww.
You stay? You wanna do it again? Come here. Come here. She'll like sit and stay seated. Like she doesn't know she can get out. Come here. Come here, you want this?
Wow.
Come here. I know, she like gets stuck. Come here.
That's so funny. Even for a treat?
Yeah. Come here. You can come here. Good girl. Can you sit?
Aww. That's so cute.
A kiss.
Aww, she is so sweet.
Okay, now tell her to sit. There you go. Good. Over here, Lala. Scooch back. Say good girl. Because eventually she's just going to do it for the good girls, not for the treat. Say stay. Come here. Lala, come here. I'll say come here, Harley.
Come here, Harley.
Do it again. Come here.
Harley.
Okay, now tell her to sit. Good job. Now say good girl. Can you pet her? Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment if you want to see some more.